In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove backgrounds of your images completely for free. Alright, let's jump into the tutorial right away. So the name of the app is called Photo Room. Let's head over to Play Store. Once you open your Play Store, you click on search, and then you're going to search for Photo Room. Photo Room all together, no space, and then we hit your search. Alright, so for my device, this app is not going to work because the version of the app is quite higher than my phone, right? So it's not going to work for me. So if you are in this category, you don't have an issue, I'm going to show you where you can also remove your background from the same app. They have their website, right? So if it's working for your phone, you can download the app, right? Open it, and then I'm still going to show you how to remove your background. Alright, so let's head over to Google Chrome. You open your Google Chrome, and alright, so this is where you come. Let's just search for Photo Room. Alright, Photo Room, and then you click on search. Alright, so the first link that comes here, you can see their logo there with that arrow, so you just click on it and it loads for you. Now when you are on Google Chrome, it will not work if you have not enabled your desktop site, right? So once you click on these three dots here, you have to scroll down. Or this desktop site, you have to enable it before you can be able to use your site, right? Because it's not available for Android device, it's not going to load for you. They will see redirect it, you can use the app. Alright, so you just enable your desktop size and then go over and click on start creating for free. Alright, it's opening up gradually. Alright, so if you can see this teddy bears here, I'm going to zoom in so that you can see it clearly. Alright, you can see the transparent original image black. Alright, so we are going to be using the transparent option, right? So once you click on transparent, it's going to open your gallery automatically. So you go ahead and click on the image you want to remove the background. Alright, okay, so let's go ahead and remove the background of this image right here. Let's click on it, click on done. So it's going to load automatically and remove the background. Let me zoom out so you can see. Alright, you can see that here there's no background, right? So if you want to download the image, I'm going to zoom with my hand so you can see my screen very well because I'm using desktop side. You can see this download icon here. Once you click on the download icon, they're going to bring out some options for you. Now you cannot, for in some cases they will show you download full HD. If you want to download that full HD, you have to subscribe, right? So you have to click on lower quality, which is still very okay for us to use, right? And then you just click on download. Alright, I'm going to click on open right away. So you can see this image has no background. Alright, to prove that, let's head over to our Photoshop so I can show you that image has no background anymore. Alright, so I'm going to go straight and import my image. Alright, you can see they're showing in my download folder. I'll just click on it. Alright, you can see it has no background. So this is how to remove your images for free, completely for free. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.